Hey guys, welcome to the Combine Breakers. We just get out of the cab. Let's have a look around. Here we are at the Combine Graveyard. Here we have our very fancy Deutz Fahr. Even the head rotates so you can cut on the hill. Right, let's keep exploring. A lot of these combines look quite bad with all their parts missing, but that's just it. A lot of the parts have been taken off these combines to keep other combines going, as parts have become harder to get or have become obsolete. It's only somewhere like this that we can go to get good second-hand parts to keep our own combine going. $1,200, I drove one of those. You can get your combine in every colour, even blue. Comment down below if you know what make that blue combine is. Even the yellow ones go on fire.
There's a pretty new combine. Gosh, a combine.
Ouch. Check this one out with all little rivets.
Yeah, there's a little punch mark.
What make is this one? Just in case they were painted on, but they're not. Here's a very old combine. Is it Russian built? Ooh, she burnt. Here we are at the Combine Graveyard.
A lot of combines here, a lot of history.
So we got the parts that we came down to get, and I just want to say a really big thank you to Bernard Jr. and Bernard Sr. for allowing us to walk around the Combine Graveyard to have a little bit of exploration and for making this video. If you want to buy any parts from Bernard, you can find him online. He's very easy to deal with, and a really big thank you to Bernard.